Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. So today I'll be showing you how to make a healthier version of pancake using oatmeal, and this is the pack that I'll be using for this version: almond milk and egg. And so for this ingredients, this is what I'll be using, and all the difference will be is the egg versus the banana. You can use whatever milk you want, and whatever brand of oatmeal that you have. So I just went ahead and put like eyeball it to where I wanted at the one egg, and eyeball the almond milk, and I will go ahead and blend it. And if it gets hard up there like that right there, that's okay. Just take it off, shake it up, and start and blend it again. You want it to blend, and you don't want it too liquidy, so that's kind of the consistency that you want it right there. You don't want it to be too liquidy because it'll roll all over. This right here that I'm using is my countertop grill. I love it. I got it from Amazon. And guys, if you haven't subscribed by now, please take this time to step out, do it, and come back in. And also, so this is what it'll look like. I already have it cooked on one side. This is cooking on one side. I haven't flipped it yet. Now it's flipped. My husband liked it to be a little bit darker, but I guess you would have to have the grill preheat longer. So this is what it looks like. I kind of made them small. You could eat it with we have turkey bacon or organic turkey bacon and a little bit of healthy honey. And so this is the other version, and this is another oatmeal that I have. It's whatever oatmeal you have, and in this case it's the banana that I'll be using. I can't eat bananas, so that's why I use the egg in the first version, but the thing that holds this together is the banana or the egg. Don't use both if you don't have to. Again, I can't. If you can't eat too much egg, then use the banana. If you can't eat banana, use the egg. And for this recipe, this is what I'll be using. The only thing that's different is the banana and the egg. You could use any oatmeal or any milk that you have. Anyways, hope this helped for a very low carb healthy option.